Good morning students. In this video, the connecting devices of data communication and networking. The first video contained repeaters and bridges. Then next one is routers. Routers is the operate in the physical data link and network of the OSI model. Routers replay the packet among multiple interconnected networks. Routers forward the packet to the next routers in the next path until it reaches the destinations. They decide the path of the packet should take. In this diagram, represent on the different type of networks. So connect on the routers. The routers can be implemented in the physical data link and network layers of the OSI model. Then routers, the least cost routing technique is used. In least cost technique routing, the term shortest can mean the combinations of many factors including shortest or cheapest or fastest and most reliable and so on. We can combine all the factors affecting a link into one number and call the number of symbolic length of the link. The pathway requiring the smallest number of relay, it is called hoop count routing. Hoop count algorithm usually limit of routers can known as the single routers. Those are within 15 hoop. Novel, AppleTag, OSI and TCP/IP protocols are use hoop count as the basis for the routing algorithms. Routers can be divided in the non-adaptive versus or adaptive routings. So, difference of the non-adaptive and adaptive routings. A routing is classified into non-adaptive or adaptive. First one is non-adaptive. This is a static. In some routing protocols, once a pathway of destinations has been selected, the router sends all packets for the destination along that one route. Adaptive routing, the dynamic. The routing protocols employ the techniques called adaptive routing, in which router may select a new route of each packet in different changes in conditions and topology of the networks. The solution is an add packet field is called packet lifetime or time to live DDL. In this diagram, the routers in the internet connection. So different types of networks. Then the different types of topologies. Then connect in bus topology and ring topology. Then them all are connected in the routers. Last one is gateway. Gateway operate in 7 layers of the OSI model. A gateway is a protocol converter. Convert one protocol to another and can therefore connect to dissimilar networks. So gateway is generally software installed within a routers. In this diagram clearly represent on the OSI model of the gateway. It is implemented in all layers of the OSI model. So gateway is morely used on different type of network. So in this diagram, a gateway, first one is SNA networks. So second one is network. So different type of network then can connect in the gateways. Thank you students.